So good morning, troops. As you can all see, my dad has already arrived home. He just came back from work and brought us bread and chicken. Today's a very nice weather for us to take passengers, as our dad is a very responsible dad. Now he's currently opening the door to his house. There you have it. And look who's waiting after. So look who's waiting for his dad. It's Hopi the dog. A very nice dog indeed. We also have cats, 3 of them to be exact, and a dog.
Mga katroops, ito ang binili ko kanina mga katroops. Pag uwi ko, nagbili ako ng crispy leeg at saka yung paa ng chicken. Mga katroops, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Nandito na po ako mga katroops. Kararating ko lang, galing ako ng Masada. Ito, bumili ako ng ulam namin ngayon, pangtanghali namin. Tapos, mamaya, pag relax muna kami ngayon, after lunch, babalik kami pamasada mamayang hapon. Mga 2 o'clock sa hapon.
So good morning, troops. Today is a very beautiful day for us to go and travel around, get passengers, right, Dad?
Mga katrops, dito kami, nagre-relax kami. Kararating ko lang galing sa pamasada. Pero ako lang mag-isa mga katrops. Hindi ko kasama si Jan, ang anak-anak ko. Mamayang hapon, baka kasama na kami ng dalawa ang mamasada. So dito lang kami, magkakape lang muna kami dito sa bahay. Mamayang hapon, umpisahan namin.
Totoo po talaga yan. That's absolutely correct, my troops. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna drink coffee. We're gonna think of what to post later. So see you guys soon.
Dito lang mga katrops. God bless us all.